We are doing the trilogy: celery, onion, and green pepper, to be added to the roux after when I get that going. This is going to be a meaty dish. Everybody likes meat. You have to smoke it for at least 7 or 8 hours on a heavy smudge. The recipe I have for this is supposed to be a traditional way of making it. But never being down in Louisiana, I have no way of cross-checking my andouille against the real deals down there. All right, I use corn flour. It leaves a very nice light coating. Creole seasoning. I make my own. Chicken and andouille gumbo. This is the process I use. Equal amounts of oil and flour. This grapeseed oil has a little bit higher burning. You can use lard. You can use just regular vegetable oil. This is pretty flavorless. Should have poured it over there so it wouldn't drip. I'm okay. Heat. The oil has to be, get it heated up before you add your flour. I do. All right. Once you have it combined, you have to stir constantly. You cannot let it burn. Now you're going to sit here and stir this until it gets pretty much darker than the color of peanut butter. It's going to be a very dark roux. The longer you cook it, the more flavor you get out of it. Now I'm just going to sit here like this for the next half hour probably. Take a look at that. Now that's the color you want. That's mahogany. And now I'm going to add the trinity: peppers, onions, and celery. Now it's going to get thick because of the moisture that's in the vegetables. Try to cook the vegetables for a while, break them down a little bit, probably I'll cook this now for 5 minutes or so.
The next thing is
andouille. Okay, now the stock. Beautiful chicken stock.
Hey, where did you get this chicken stock?
I made it. This was 12 hours of simmering of all sorts of good chicken bones.
Homemade chicken stock.
Absolutely. Now I'm going to add the chicken. And then I have to add a little bit more Creole seasoning. And get this combined, and then we just reduce the heat down to a simmer and let it simmer for at least 2 hours, and you serve it with some beautiful rice and you're good to go. Bayou Gumbo.